Hello, congratulations for joining online summer camp by Technomentis Edu Services. Let me walk you through the process for joining these classes. We would be using Google Meet for video conferencing and Google Classroom for classroom management. For this, we need to have Google Chrome browser installed. In case you don't have the Chrome browser already installed, please install it before proceeding further. Once you have the Google Chrome installed, let's open the Google Chrome and log into your Gmail account. You would have already received an invitation from Technomentis Edu Services to join the Google Classroom. Just open the mail and click on this join button. In case it's asked you to switch the account, just check that your Gmail account is correct. And if it is correct, just click on the join button. And you would be taken to Google Classroom. And the classroom which you have enrolled for would be visible here. So like right now, the class has been named just a test class. On this page, you would see these three tabs here. So the first one is a stream, which is like a chat window or a place where any announcement that is done by the teacher or any new assignment that has been assigned would be available here. In case you want to share something, you can do it using this page. The next page is classwork, where all the class materials, the quizzes or worksheets would be available here, whatever has been assigned to you. So like we have a quiz, we have some class slides available here. And then we have the people where all the teachers and the students would be mentioned here. Now let's go to the classwork and let's see how you can join the Google Meet for the video conferencing. So just click on the Google Calendar. By now you would have already received a Google Calendar invite for your classes. So like I can see this online summer camp. So just click on this and click on this button which says join with Google Meet. So just click on this and now just click on this button ask to join. So once you click on, your teacher would allow you to join as you would be taken to the Google Meet. So this is how the Google Meet window would appear. So whoever is present in the class, we can see all the people present here. Few things about the Google Meet. So all the participants can be seen here. In case you want to send some message or chat, you can use this window. You can send any message from here. And in case someone else sends some message during the class, it would be available here. Now during the class, your teacher might want you to share your screen. So for that, you just click on this button, present now, and there are multiple options. You can choose to select your entire screen or a particular window. So let's say you choose to select your entire screen. So just click on this screen and then click on this share button. So once you do that, your screen sharing would start and your complete screen would be visible to the teacher and other participants in the class. Okay. Now, apart from this, if you need any help, of course, your teacher would be there to help you out. And I hope you would enjoy these classes and have a great learning experience. Bye bye.